Hi, Grant Burris from the Tune-Up Shop in Costa Mesa, California, 949-645-4641. Here is a beautiful 1962 Thunderbird that we've just had into the shop. This one's a perfect car. Solid black with the tonneau cover, wire wheels, everything's just perfect. This car couldn't be nicer. All it needs is for someone to drive it. The owner of it expects to do a lot of that. It has additional gauges, has an aluminum radiator, electric fans, and everything else in the car is totally stock. Perfect condition. Don't those wire wheels look good? Of course, it has the tilt wheel that slides over to the side whenever you put it in park and get into the car. This one's a perfect one. All ready for the owner to take it for a nice drive along Pacific Coast Highway. Come see us at the Tune-Up Shop, 949-645-4641. Thank you for watching.